This is the Mars Make DC to AC conversion with R L load trainer. In this kit we have ramp comparator circuit for trigger pulses to make the SCR on, and we have bridge converter configuration circuit in which we used 4 number of thyristors and 4 number of diodes to make DC to AC. And next section is variable DC voltage, in which you can vary the voltage 10 volt approximate DC. Here is the load assembly having the combination of RC, LC and RLC load, and below the load assembly there is the SCR firing pulses for all SCRs. We have to connect the circuit, that G1 socket to G1 of first thyristor and the same K1 to this K1, and all are respectively. As here I have made the connection G1 to G1, K1 to K1, and same for all the thyristors. For measurement and observation of this kit we have required multimeter and oscilloscope as a optional accessory. Firstly, we see the variable voltage measure here with the help of multimeter. Switch on the instrument and here we get the voltage in the multimeter when the variable potentiometer will rotate to clockwise up to 10 volt approximate. Here you can study the DC voltage output. Now I make the connections for all the bridge converter configuration. I have made all the connections, gate and cathode of the thyristors. Now connect the DC voltage output, negative here, positive here, set at minimum value. Connect the load in parallel as per the symbol. All the connection must be tightened. Now for the measure the SCR firing pulses, positive of SCR goes to the G1 and negative to K1. Switch on the instruments. Here we get the trigger pulses for the SCR. Now as per the manual, all the waveforms is given, procedure is given. Connection diagram is also given in the manual, and here we have the table. Measure the input DC voltage, and for that DC voltage measure the output AC voltage in RMS and peak to peak. RMS you have to need multimeter, and peak to peak you can measure on the oscilloscope. After observing the pulses, remove the CRO connection over here and connect across the load. Vary the DC voltage. Now here we get the AC voltage across CRO. Measure the AC peak to peak voltage here. Measure the DC voltage from here. RMS with the help of multimeter in AC mode. Here we can see clearly when I change the DC voltage, the output amplitude will reduce. If sometime output will not come, make it off, wait for some time, then again on, for proper timing of the SCR switching. So you can fill the data as per the table: DC voltage, AC voltage, peak to peak from oscilloscope, and RMS from the multimeter. In this way, we can observe the waveforms and output voltages with this trainer. Thank you.